Are you tired of guessing paint thickness and risking costly inspection mistakes? In this review, we're covering the 5 best paint thickness gauge options to help you find the perfect tool. We'll compare accuracy, durability, ease of use, and value, so you can confidently choose the right tool for your projects. After watching, be sure to check the links in the description below for the latest prices of each product. Let's get started.
Number 1. RDINSCOS Car Coating Thickness Meter Paint Mill Gauge. Hidden paint repairs can cost you money before you even buy. This RDINSCOS paint thickness gauge helps check paint depth on vehicle panels before purchase. It measures coating thickness in mils and supports quick inspections without a complicated setup. The compact body fits easily in one hand, and the display is easy to read during daylight. It's built for checking factory paint and spotting areas that may have been repainted after damage. Using it takes only a few moments even if you're new to paint inspection. You can compare readings across different panels and notice unusual differences fast. That makes it useful when checking used cars, helping you avoid costly surprises. It's also small enough to carry in your pocket during dealership visits or private sales. Buy it if you inspect many vehicles and want detailed readings. Skip it for occasional checks. Its biggest strength is fast, portable paint inspection for everyday buyers. Number 2. VVV-Group Paint Thickness Gauge CM224 Auto. Buying a used car feels safer when paint repairs are easy to spot. The VVV-Group CM224 Auto offers digital paint thickness readings with 0.1 micron resolution for detailed inspections. It detects steel, aluminum, and galvanized steel surfaces automatically, so you don't need to switch modes. The factory calibration helps deliver consistent measurements, while the large backlit display stays easy to read in bright or dim conditions. Its solid build feels dependable during repeated vehicle inspections. The automatic material detection saves time when moving from one body panel to another. Fast readings help you identify repaired sections before making a buying decision. The backlit display also makes evening garage inspections much easier. It's a practical tool for frequent vehicle checks and light professional work. This paint thickness gauge is best for used car buyers, auto inspectors, dealerships, and detailers who need reliable coating measurements. Buy it if you inspect many vehicles and want detailed readings. Skip it for occasional checks. Its biggest strength is accurate multi-metal detection with easy day-to-day operation.
Number 3. VVV-Group Paint Thickness Gauge CM205FN. Hidden body repairs can be hard to spot without the right measuring tool. The VVV-Group CM205FN measures paint thickness from 0 to 1500 microns with 0.1 micron resolution. It detects ferrous and non-ferrous metals automatically, so there's no need to change settings between panels. The backlit LCD stays clear in different lighting conditions, and the factory calibration helps provide dependable readings. Its compact design feels comfortable to hold during long inspection sessions. The automatic metal detection speeds up every inspection and keeps the process smooth. You can compare readings across doors, fenders, and the roof to find signs of repainting. The controls are easy to learn, making it suitable for beginners and experienced users alike. It also stores accurate measurements that help you make better buying decisions. This paint thickness gauge is best for used car buyers, private sellers, collectors, and anyone inspecting vehicle paint condition. Buy it if you want reliable readings across different vehicle materials. Skip it if you only need basic paint checks. Its biggest strength is dependable accuracy with quick automatic metal detection. Number 4. RDINSCOS Car Coating Thickness Meter Paint Mill Gauge. A clean exterior doesn't always mean the paint is factory original. This RDINSCOS coating thickness meter measures paint depth to help identify repaired or repainted panels. It is designed for automotive inspections and displays measurements in mils for easy comparison. The lightweight body fits comfortably in one hand, making it convenient during dealership visits or private inspections. Its straightforward controls help you start measuring without a long learning process. The compact size makes it easy to carry from one vehicle to another. By checking several panels, you can spot unusual thickness differences that may point to previous body repairs. This helps you negotiate with more confidence or avoid a poor purchase. It's also useful for checking your own vehicle before selling it. This paint thickness gauge is best for used car buyers, private sellers, collectors, and anyone inspecting vehicle paint condition. Buy it if you want reliable readings across different vehicle materials. Skip it if you only need basic paint checks. Its biggest strength is dependable accuracy with quick automatic metal detection.
Number 5. VVV-Group Digital Coating Thickness Gauge CM218. Paint repairs aren't always visible, but coating measurements can reveal the difference. The VVV-Group CM218 measures paint thickness on steel and aluminum surfaces with 0.01 mil resolution for detailed results. It provides digital readings in both mils and microns, making it useful for different inspection needs. The sturdy design feels solid in hand, and the display stays clear while checking multiple panels. Its responsive sensor helps deliver fast measurements during vehicle inspections. The high resolution makes it easier to compare small differences between factory paint and repaired areas. Switching between metal panels is quick, helping you finish inspections in less time. It's also useful for automotive work and light industrial coating checks. The straightforward controls make daily use comfortable without a steep learning curve. This paint thickness gauge is best for used car buyers, professional inspectors, body shops, and automotive detailers who need precise coating measurements. Buy it if you want detailed readings for regular inspections. Skip it if you only need occasional basic checks. Its biggest strength is precise measurement with dependable performance across steel and aluminum surfaces. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.